friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about L-hospital. So the first and foremost question arises, what is L-hospital? L-hospital is a method through which we can find limit of those equations, polynomials, functions. If we apply limit directly to them, we are getting indeterminate form. So what are indeterminate forms? For example, if you are getting infinity upon infinity, infinity power infinity, infinity minus infinity, 0 upon 0. So these are indeterminate forms. For example, we have limit x tends to 0 sin x upon x. Now apply limit directly to them. We will get limit x tends to 0. It will be now apply. We are writing this. Now apply limit. Then we will get sin 0 upon 0. Sin 0 is 0. So it is indeterminate form. So we can't calculate limit through this method. So how we will do it through L-hospital? So see, we have limit x tends to 0. Some precautions you need to take during solving L-hospital. For example, never apply u upon v in numerator and denominator. Always apply u into v. For example, you have this. So we will differentiate the whole function, but in this way. We can't differentiate the whole function. For example, it is right. You can't write it as, because if you do so, in this way you are going to apply u upon v, which is not applicable for L-hospital. So do in this way, always remember this. So apply d over d of sin x. Differentiation of sin x is cos x, and differentiation of x is 1. So limit x tends to 0, then cos 0 is 1. So 1 is the right answer. So here we have another question, log x upon cot x. So today I am going to describe you step by step how to calculate L-hospital. So first apply limit directly to the function. So it will be log 0 upon cot 0. Log 0 is infinite, cot 0 is infinite. So it means it is an indeterminate form, and now we can apply L-hospital. So differentiate the function. Differentiation of log x is 1 upon x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cos square x. That is minus 1 upon sin square x. Now rearrange the function, then we will get sin square x upon x minus. So multiply by x and divide by x. So it is going to be 1. Then we will have limit x tends to 0 minus x. Then on apply limit we will be minus 0. Then our answer will be 0. So see, now apply limit to the function. e to power 0 minus 1 upon e to power 0 minus 2x upon minus 2 into 0 upon 0 minus sin 0. It will be 1, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 minus 0, it means 0. 0 minus 0 will be 0. It means now we can apply L-hospital this function. Limit x tends to 0, d over dx of e to power x minus e to power minus x minus 2x. d over dx of x minus sin x. Differentiation of e to power is e to power x. Differentiation of e to power minus x will be minus e to power minus x. So minus minus will be plus. And here will be minus 2. It will be 1 minus cos x. Now we have limit x tends to 0, e to power x plus e to power minus x minus 2 upon 1 minus cos x. Now again apply limit. It will be e to power 0 plus 1 upon e to power 0 minus 2 upon 1 minus cos 0. Still it is 0 upon 0. See, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 minus 2, 0. Cos 0 is 1, 1 minus 1, 0. So we again apply an hospital to this function. d over dx of e to power x plus e to power minus x minus 2 upon d over dx of 1 minus cos x. Differentiation of e to power x is e to power x minus e to power minus x upon cos x will be minus I minus plus it will be sin x. Now apply e to power 0 minus e to power minus 0 upon sin 0 Still we are getting 0.0. Now again apply L hospital. Limit x tends to 0, e to power x plus e to power minus x upon cos x. Now again apply limit e to power 0 to minus 0 upon cos 0. So our answer will be 2.